Hey, Jake with B&H, and today we're talking about tubes of light. But not just any tubes, these are the new and improved Nanlite PavoTube II. For those who aren't familiar, the Nanlite makes these really cool tube lights that may look bizarre to some videographers that may have only used the typical LED panels. But the form factor is just the beginning of what the Nanlite PavoTube II has to offer. And today we'll take you through all the cool new features that include an expanded CCT range, brighter output, higher CRI, 15 built-in practical effects, plus a brand new effects mode called Pixel Effects, all of which is built around a new robust aluminum housing. So let's roll. With this new release, Nanlite has announced a new series of Pavo tubes, and they come in two variations, the 15X tube and the 30X tube. PavoTube II 15X measures 23.6 inches long and weighs 2.12 pounds, while the 30X measures 45.07 inches long and weighs 3.75 pounds. Now, I was only able to get my hands on 4 30X Pavo tubes, so we'll be focusing on them today, but they sport the same set of features. The Nanlite PavoTube 30X is an RBGWW LED Pixel Tube light that offers plenty of lighting versatility and professional control. It can be mounted vertically thanks to the 1/4-20 mount at one end of the tube, or you can use the included clip and mount the tube horizontally. Plus, this new PavoTube II design has flatter ends so that it is easier to stand them up and use them as practical lights within your shot, which is perfect for YouTubers, Twitch streamers, or music video productions. The PavoTube II 30X has 4 lighting modes. We have CCT, HSI, Effects, and the new Pixel Effects. Let's start with CCT. As mentioned, the 30X features an improved CCT range starting at 2700 Kelvin and goes all the way up to 12,000 Kelvin. Plus, it has a CRI of 95 and TLCI of 98. Therefore, videographers can illuminate freely and have the confidence that they're getting accurate color renditions. A brand new control feature found on the 30X PavoTube II is plus or minus green. This professional control provides the user with the ability to adjust the PavoTube's green and or magenta tint values so that you can match existing lighting fixtures, which is crucial when shooting on location with overhead lights. If you select HSI mode, you can easily adjust the hue on the 360-degree color wheel and then adjust to your desired saturation and intensity. The 30X is dimmable from 0 to 100%, which is perfect for a scene that requires that smooth transition from light to dark. The effects mode is where you can really start having some fun on set because it allows you to quickly create a mood or scene with a click of a button. I chose Hue Loop for this particular shot, but there's also a variety of others. Check them out. This Pixel Effects mode is brand new to the Nanlite PavoTube II series, and what it does is essentially use pixel mapping to create really unique effects that actually run up and down the PavoTube rather than affecting the entire fixture. Take for instance the INT loop. In regular effects mode, this will just flash a luminance value across the whole tube, but if I switch into Pixel Effects mode, then the luminance value will run up or down the tube. This pixel mapping effect is perfect if you're trying to create a scene of someone in a car driving and you just simulate the streetlights passing overhead. Or maybe someone is riding in an elevator and you want to simulate someone going up. The creative possibilities are really exciting with a new feature like this. All of these effects benefit from the new and improved diffusion over the LED that makes it impossible to see the individual LEDs, which gives the tube a sleeker look and also makes for softer shadows out of the box. All of these different modes are quick and easy to navigate thanks to Nanlite's new intuitive LED display and button configuration. They've also added a new and improved power switch, so you'll know for sure if your tube is on or off. And if you look in the top right corner, you'll see your expected battery life. That's because the PavoTube II has a 4400 milliamp built-in battery that will last for around 2 hours when outputting at 100% intensity. But what is cool about this icon is it will adjust the duration based on your output intensity, and you can see that change in real time. The tubular design was already portable enough, but with this built-in battery, you can pretty much take the 30X or the 15X with you anywhere and be ready to light. And on top of being portable, this new series is incredibly robust thanks to the new aluminum housing. So you'll never be concerned by possible accidents on set because these tubes can handle it, within reason of course. Below the power switch is a USB-C connection for firmware upgrades, so you'll never miss out on a new PavoTube innovation. If your PavoTube 2 is going to remain stationary for a long period of time, the light does come with a power supply in the box that connects to the DC barrel input at one end of the tube. This will power the light indefinitely. In fact, the power supply will power the light and charge the battery simultaneously, saving you time and stress. The PavoTube 2 will also connect to a DMX setup thanks to the DMX connection that is next to the power supply input. In addition to wireless DMX control, the PavoTube 2 has a few wireless control capabilities, including 2.4G wireless control, as well as Bluetooth in tandem with their new release of the Nanlite PavoTube app. This allows you to wirelessly control all the settings of the PavoTube 2 and adjust parameters in effects mode from your smartphone. Sadly, the beta wasn't available for us to test in this video, but exciting nonetheless. In the box, you get the power adapter. The power adapter rubber strap to safely and conveniently hang from your light stand. The power cable itself, a clip to mount your tube horizontally, 2 eye bolts so you can hang the PavoTubes from anywhere with a safety cable, and it comes with a custom designed carry bag that opens seamlessly with a zipper. You can match this awesome light with some great accessories sold separately, such as barn doors, an egg crate, a tripod, a waterproof tube, and grip solutions. These separate attachments will help you quickly rig up the PavoTubes for more control over your light and help users dig deeper into their creativity. The unique size and shape of a Nanlite PavoTube 2 when compared to its 1x1 counterpart means the light can be easily hidden within a scene, or that can be placed into a scene as a practical light. Perfect for a music video or a Twitch streamer, which just speaks to the versatility of the new PavoTube 2. It can be used as a key light, a backlight, or used within the shot itself. With the improved CCT range, the brighter output, plus or minus green control, and a new pixel effects mode, the PavoTube 2 15X and 30X guarantees high-quality light with professional control and the creative freedom to illuminate any shot you can think of. And it's all packed into a slender and sleek tube that can light anywhere, anytime. But what would you use the PavoTube lights for? Which size is right for you? Let me know in the comments below. I'm Jake with B&H. Just keep lighting.